The other thing you need to be careful of is your IT and your OT separation in networks. And we see this all the time when we talk about manufacturing or we talk about healthcare or anything that has, operational technology. So MRI machines, cameras, anything like that, they need to be segmented. Because if they're not, there are several instances that we've seen over the last year or so where somebody has gotten a foothold on a printer or the printer stuff. I know
the
we
FDA
can
just
look back to that. Yeah.
recalled a heart device.
Yeah.
Or it didn't recall it. It announced a critical vulnerability in a heart device.
Sure, but getting a foothold in a printer, a camera, or something else can lead to a pivot into the rest of your network.
Yes.
And so if they're not properly segmented, then you're kind of opening the door at that point.
Well, and again, manufacturing, healthcare, all kinds of organizations, when you have things on your network, often they can't be up. There's limitations to how they can be upgraded.
For those of you who want to see exactly how this goes, check out How I Met Your Printer by Tom Pohl, which is on our website.
So good.
It is so good, and it showcases exactly how this works.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Sherry Davidoff.
And I'm Matt Duran. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining, and we'll see you next time.